Hello to all the enterprise sellers and marketers. And today, I'm going to check whether or not Copy.ai can do enterprise account research. So recently, I stumbled upon quite a few LinkedIn posts bragging about the platform's capabilities regarding, analysis of 10Ks, 10Qs, investor calls, and other collateral generated by public companies. And I decided to check out whether or not Copy stands to the hype. So our target account today will be Sprouts Farmers Market, and I compare the results generated by Copy.ai with good old Chat GPT. So let's dive in. So on the left, you can see the output generated by Copy.ai. A little disclaimer, I used the default workflow offered by the platform. And on the right, you can see the results that were generated by ChatGPT. So in not in the OpenAI, in Copy.ai, it's all very simple. You enter the ticker symbol of the public company that you want to track. And for Sprouts Farmer Market, it's SFM. You draft the company's value prop. So I don't want to, jeopardize the name of the client that I've done this for. So this is like the very generic description, custom and tech solutions for retailers. And I'm using like the same thing here. So my ad tech platform. So I'm not doing anything like different from the copy AI example. And now we're on the workflow, and let's compare the results. My prompt is structured a bit differently compared to the prompt that's used in the copy AI template. So there are growth focus areas, struggles, and issues. So continue and focus on serving target customers, help and users. Okay, expansion through new store openings with 7 new stores open in the quarter. Plans, okay. Some quotes from the CEO. Okay. So this is possible, although I prefer to start with some financial data in order to give the account execs and the researchers and all the other members of the selling team the kind of helicopter view of what's going on the account. Are they making money? Are they losing money? Maybe there is this thing as earnings per share EPS. Okay, so there is a 14 increase, which is good. Gross margin. So I think that this financial stuff is really important, but it's me. Maybe somebody thinks that you don't need to know this if you sell to enterprise. Okay, more power to you. So growth rate and key initiatives. So here kind of like OpenAI decided select to select different key initiatives, a bit different than their direct quotes. Also nice, and then which is I think the most important part of this comparison is a brainstorm value part in Copy AI and the detailed list of relevant initiatives that can be tied to edtech. So here is my prompt. Once again, this is not a jewel in the crown of prompt engineering. This is very basic stuff. I spent 30 seconds creating this, so it definitely can be improved. So I just wanted to, share some raw work done with OpenAI and compare it with Copy AI. So following this interview, I would like a detailed list of all initiatives within the company that have potential relevance to attack, accompanied by a brief explanation of their connection to the field. Please answer in structured way to enhance readability. The file with the transcript is attached to this message, and I'm using exactly the same file that's been uploaded by Copy.ai. Right. So let's compare the initiatives. So enhance customer engagement through personalization. Can integrate with upcoming Sprouts rewards to deliver high personalized content, increasing engagement and driving loyalty among health enthusiasts. By leveraging customer data, we can help target campaigns that resonate with the unique preferences of the company's customers, such as organic, gluten-free, grass-fed, or vegan product enthusiasts. Possible, good enough. So here, uh, it's all right. It's like a C plus. Support for new store openings, a bit stretch, but okay. Inventory management optimization, yeah, you will have less fresh shrinks because an ad tech solution will help you, to create those offers for the for the products, for the fresh products that you also need to throw away. So you need to, to sell them at discount. Cost efficient customer acquisition and retention. Big no for me, because this is very vanilla. So this this take sorry for that. This take could be taken, could be inserted into any slide deck, into any landing page of any edtech platform ever created, and any edtech solution helps you to optimize your customer acquisition costs. Surprise, surprise. There is nothing unique here, and you really don't need to do any account research in order to generate such a take. So I think that that's a waste. Mitigating macroeconomic uncertainties. Really, it's a stretch. It's really yeah. It's a big stretch. I don't think that this is a good point. Data-driven insights for strategic investments. Okay, generic vanilla also can be tied towards any tech platform. Yeah. Oh, you have a lot of data, and you can use this data in order to make accurate strategic decisions. Okay. Once again, any edtech platform can say this. I'm building a thriving brand community. Okay, this is kind of share their experience, become brand advocates. There is nothing that's connected to the, there is no name dropping of the key initiatives inside the account. So this is also, C, maybe not a C plus, but a C minus. So this is what we have here from the Copy.ai, and let's compare it with the detailed list of relevant initiative to attack. Once again, I'm not doing anything other than basic Chat GPT prompting. So I'm not using, the memories feature in OpenAI. I'm not using the previous work that I've done for other clients in order to increase the quality of the account research. So this is plain OpenAI. E-commerce growth. E-commerce sales increased by 25%, driven by partnership with Uber Eats and other online platforms. Opportunity to integrate a tech solution to enhance online customer engagement, personalized marketing. That's a good point. Of course, you need to investigate it further, but compared to like those, I think that the description is really accurate. Loyalty program into markets aiming to build a thriving community with personalized content. AdTech can provide data analytics and targeted advertising to boost loyalty program effectiveness. So once again, I deliberately used very vague term edtech because I don't want to, to let you know what company I'm doing this for. Yeah, because if you insert the value prop, they will be instantly Googleable, right? So I didn't want to do that. So I went with the vanilla edtech take. So if it was like the full value prop, the output would be better both in Copy.ai and Chat GPT. But once again, I had the same input to begin with, so the results are fair, and the competition is fair. So innovative product offerings, introduction of new items like hot honey chicken tenders and non-dairy frozen desserts. Once again, a name drop in. So we're talking about very concrete products inside the Sprout Farmer Markets product line. This is rather targeted, especially compared with something like this. You see the difference? Customer engagement and in-store experience, focus on friendly and knowledgeable team members leading to... That's an okay take, but okay, I'm not vowing only for one team. This I would consider generic also. Sustainability efforts, reasonable backs community donations to drive brand loyalty, and they had those. So you see, they had those mentioned in the investor calls. So this may be one of the value hypotheses, and marketing promotional strategies. And also, my main problem with the Copy AI flow, you can't kind of redo the uh, uh, you can't redo or kind of dive into some of the bullet points that were generated by Copy AI. So the geniusness of ChatGPT is that you can basically chat about a particular doc, or sorry, Copy AI, you can chat about a particular set of docs, and this is what makes ChatGPT a perfect solution for enterprise account research. You can upload 10Ks, 10Qs, transcribes, what have you, the transcribes of YouTube interviews, or you can transcribe them with some a standalone GPT like Alpha Notes or something. Yeah, and you can upload all these and analyze in one fell swoop, and use data from several data sources, and this makes your research stand, head and shoulders above the guys who are using tools like Copy.ai. Sorry guys, because this is very generic. I really love what you guys do with for SMB, and I think that this is a very promising platform for those of you who are selling to small and medium-sized businesses. But for enterprise sellers, uh, it's really not enough. So this is very basic functional, and don't even get me started on the price. Because and guys from Copy, correct me if I'm wrong. This thing cost me 95 credits, and for $36 per month, you get like 500 credits. So this thing, this output, let's be polite, this output cost me $7. If yes, uh I don't think that I don't think this were $7 well spent. And that Chat GPT costs like 20 or $25 per month, and you can do and the price of one research is way way lower. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's my take on Copy.ai. Once again, love what you guys do for S&P, but for an enterprise seller, I don't think you should use a Copy.ai for account research yet. So I think that's it for today. And if for some reason you haven't checked out my account-based outreach framework, tailored to enterprise sellers, please do this. It's dangreen.com/framework. No opt-in, no nothing, pure value. Take care and have a great day.